Hi, I'm Ed Pound, the Managing Director of the Operations Science Institute. Welcome to the Institute's series, 52 Weeks of Operations Science in 2 minutes. To be clear, we're not going to compress a year's worth of operations science into 2 minutes. Every week during this 52-week series, we will provide 2 minutes of powerful, practical operations science insights. If you are not already applying operations science, you're wasting money and resources. Supercharge your and your team's skills with high-value, low-cost operations science online certification. Here we are, week 15, Operations Science and IT, part 1. If you haven't seen it, our new book, Operations Science Applied, is due out in Q2 of this year. To start our discussion, remember that computers are much faster than people at processing information. This causes an excessive feedback problem that many don't recognize. However, companies invest millions and billions of dollars in IT, but still end up with poor on-time delivery and high cost. AI is fast developing, and I predict it will eventually recommend a solution different than many expect. But we know operations science, so we don't have to wait for AI to catch up. To illustrate this problem of excessive feedback, consider hot water control. I stayed at a cheap hotel one time and was in a hurry in the morning to take a shower and get to a meeting, and there was no marking for hot water control. I kept moving the lever back and forth, but the hot water was slow in heating up. Because I was changing the water control faster than the temperature would respond, I was confused about which direction to turn for hot water. The result? I took a pretty cold shower. I did figure it out later that night. The same thing happens in operations. Companies enter all their information in real time and then ask the planning system to react once a day, twice a day, or even once an hour. This is thought to be a good thing. Here's an example of what happens in industry. Your system is monitoring throughput, and if you're below throughput, you get a message you need to make more. If you're way above throughput, the question is this too much? If you're a little bit above, that's okay. But in any case, these messages keep rolling along. The more rapidly replanning is done, the more action messages. And it could be throughput, or it could be inventory, or any number of things. This rapid-fire information is overwhelming. It's faster than people in supply chains and operations can respond to. Planners and managers switch to spreadsheets and then drown in spreadsheets. However, in an operations science world, we have upper and lower control limits based on the variability that we anticipate, so none of these data points require action. It's just time to relax and maybe catch a sauna. In the operations science world, more data and more data faster does not mean better control. Regenerating ERP faster than operations or people can respond is a recipe for chaos and waste. When AI catches up, I predict it will tell people to slow down on all the constant regeneration of planning data. With operations science, you can use your existing planning systems more effectively. That's it for this week. Next week in part 2, we discuss the role of software vendors in helping companies be more productive. Please join us at the Operations Science Institute. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Create an account at opscience.org for more great resources. Both the account and the resources are free. Contact us at info@opscience.org for personalized training. The Institute will train and certify your own trainers for long-term sustainability in your organization. Get your own Operations Science online certification. Share your knowledge and inspire, energize, and sustain success for you and those around you.